Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Thank you for checking out what I hope is another one of our videos on our channel, styling another Ford Transit Custom. If it is the first video you've checked out, get on the channel, check out some of the other vans, pickup trucks, all sorts of things we've styled, repairs, hydro dip, and all sorts of bits and pieces. So have a look at some of the other videos. But on this occasion, we have another Ford Transit Custom in the white. This is a brand new 22 reg van, and this is directly from John Gross Ford in Lowestoft. So don't forget, do give them a shout if you're after a new van, pickup truck, anything like that, and you want it styled. Give them a shout because they can help you source and finance the van, and then of course come to us and have all the styling done through John Gross. Link will be down below, so check them out. But in the meantime, we'll have a little look around this van. So at the moment it's all standard. It's had the roof rack supplied and fitted by John Gross Ford. We've already popped the front grille in, and we have got it in with us today and the next few days to have the front bumper extension also fitted. So this will be colour coded to the van, fitted and bonded, and then the middle section of that is the gloss black panel. We've done a few of these on the vans. They are a lovely addition without doing a whole body kit. So have a look at that when we get it, as we get it all fitted. We also do the Maxton design parts as well, so some of that's available for the vans. And then moving to the side of the van, we have some brand new gloss black alloy wheels going on as well. So stay tuned for this. It's going to be another good one. It's a bit more of a sort of basic bit of styling we're doing to this, but it'll add a nice touch. So don't forget, please do also like and subscribe to the channel, and that way you stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. But in the meantime, let's get this into the workshop and get styling. So roll the intros. Here we go. Here we go, boys. So a little bit of test fitting now of the lower bumper spoiler section before it gets all prepped ready for paint. I like to do this just to make sure they line up nicely. We fitted quite a few of these, so do check out some of the previous videos we've done with fitting these, supplying and fitting them. As you can see, the Ford grille is already in. How's it lining up, gentlemen?
Yep.
My side's alright, it's Fraser's, isn't it?
My side's perfect, your side's a bit off, I think.
Looking alright. It's okay.
Yeah, good.
That's alright.
I'll also just give you a quick view of the wheels. So these are the wheels that are going onto the lovely white Transit. Lovely gloss black wheels, these looking rather smart. Going to add a nice little touch. The gloss black will go with what we've got on the front lower lip spoiler as well, so that'll look really smart. These are 20-inch wheels with some lovely tyres on. Going to look a treat. So Paul is now prepping the front spoiler.
Yeah, just have a look on there, the front spoiler and that, so yeah, but... Right. What's the rubbish down more and all that, yeah. Not how we do it on the farm.
And getting it ready for paint. Right, so the front bumper extension is now all done and painted, looking lovely. And Paul is just applying the Terrason bonding agent, which will help hold this all in place. Rob is assisting, his good-looking assistant. Look.
Hello.
All right, Rob. And we've got the primer onto the bottom section of the bumper. So this will just help the bonding agent take to the bumper. So that's getting plenty of our Terrason in. It has got some fixings as well, of course, to hold it in place. But this will just add the lovely finishing touch. Got the wheels still to go on, so that will be the next job. Right, here we go. It's now time to get the new wheels onto the Transit. So the lads behind us are getting the old wheels off, copper slipping the hubs, ready to put the new wheels on. There we go, look. So we like to get a bit of copper slip onto the hubs, like I say, just to stop the wheels sticking to the hubs. So that's all on there. Tommy's
sorry mate,
he's
get me nuts out.
just getting his nuts out, his black nuts.
Can I have some nuts, please?
And Fraser's getting the first wheel on.
There you go, look at these beauties.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, I don't know.
Looking hot, mate. Looking hot.
Thank
And the
you.
wheel. Well, there we go, guys. This brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling, and it has been a pleasure, as always, working with another one of the Ford Transit Customs. This again is for working with the customer, but through John Gross Lowestoft. So do give them a shout, either Lowestoft, Ipswich. Give them a shout if they can help with any of the vans, particularly supplying them, and then of course get them styled through them with us at Black Stag Styling. Links will be down below, so check that out if they can help with anything. It's been a pleasure working with this one. Not too many bits added to this, just some nice little touches. So starting with the front of the van, we have supplied and fitted the Ford grille. It's a genuine Ford grille, so looks really smart, adds that little you know, meaner look to the front of the van. Then of course, just to finish it off, you need the lower front lip spoiler section. So this has been test fitted, colour coded to the van, and then fitted and bonded on. And then of course you've got the little black section that runs along the centre on the lower bit. Just adds that last little touch, so just makes the front of the van look a lot wider, a lot lower. Really looks smart. Then of course to the side of the van we have added some of our gloss black 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels. Look really smart again on the van. New tyres of course fitted as well. Everything fitted onto the vehicle. Wheels all torqued up and tyre pressures all set. So this little beauty is now ready to go back to John Gross. They're going to be collecting it in a little while. So please do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the old notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Hopefully you like what we've done with the van. So do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything. Like always, we'll give you a last look around the van. Stay safe and we'll catch you again hopefully for another video in the near future. Take care.